guys, I caught a bass right away, so I decided to grab my camera stand and bring my phone camera with me while I'm walking around here. I'm throwing a Wacky Rig Senko worm. I don't know if you can see it at the end of my pole. I don't rig it like other people with the I don't use those silly rubber bands. There's no point in it. It just gives you a smaller hookup ratio. And half the time the lure gets ruined anyway. So just bring an extra pack. That's my recommendation if you want to catch more fish. Got one. Knock this down. Got ourselves a nice bass. We're gonna let her go probably 4.5 pounds, like that. We'll let her go. I'm gonna do it right by these rocks.